If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our Matic video update today. And it seems like it's time for Matic to continue on with its move. And I just want to check the EMAs and how the EMAs are behaving right now. So you ended up making a bull cross down here, and you made a cross, confirmed the cross, push up, came down to the EMAs, retested, push up, came to the EMAs, push up. So it's looking good. Bitcoin is looking good. We do have a more continuation to the upside. Now I do think on the 4-hour time frame, because things are looking super amazing on the 4-hour time frame, and this actually poses like a very, very good entry down at 1.4310. And if you look at that risk right now, it's a 4.82, and we're talking about a 40%, 39% move to the upside that we can actually take. So the private channel that I normally talk about in my videos, where I do take some trade, is opened up for the next 9 days to join. If you want to join, check the link is in the description of the video. This time 9 days, by the end of the month it actually gets closed, and that's all. Okay, that's all. I've done the whole TA in yesterday's video, and before I close this video, you can check that this on the daily time frame we have 3 green candles back to back, as continuation pattern is actually there. And all you did is potentially you're coming down and you're about to make a little bit of a flag here. And I told you in yesterday's video that a flag can happen, a pennant can be made. And if you look at this pennant, we're taking the top to the bottom of the flagpole. And if you break out, it really takes you up to 2.0918. By the way, I'm going to give the shout out to those people on Discord to try and maybe to get a little bit of Matic right here. I do think it's an amazing trade if someone wants to get it. Personally, I think it's time to jump in. Let me confirm on the 4-hour time frame once again. Now, the reason why I think it's amazing, you see in the background, this is what I'm doing for those guys. You see, I do know that this is a dragonfly, and dragonflies are really good candles. They actually mean reversal dojis to the upside, but you do have a little bit of resistance that needs to be broken, which is actually here, and this lower resistance is also being made at the moment. So that's pretty much like a flag here. All you need is maybe a little bit of move down, move up, move down. What you can do is maybe enter here, put a stop loss, and this is known as the bank trading system, because the bank doesn't care about a breakout and a retest. They just go for it. They think, yeah, okay, just put a stop loss down here. Doesn't matter because they get on the buyer side that, yeah, it's gonna break and move up. And normally it makes sense for it to break and move up because you have a technical target to the upside. So that's pretty much it for this update on Matic right now. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.